So I'm teaching at a local university in Korea. I'm teaching college freshmen, by the way. One of my students just asked me, "Are you half Korean?" And I told her, "No, I am a full Korean. I didn't even understand a word of English until I was 18. So basically, my conclusion was, you should not give up. It's not late for you. If you try hard, you can speak English really well." And that reminded me of my belief that a truly great person is somebody who has gone through a slump, but finds a way and makes efforts to get back up. I'm not calling myself a truly great person, but I think I have a say because that's what happened to me. By the time I graduated from college, came back to Korea, a year or two passed, I lost my English. I forgot. I studied really hard. I had to get back up. And doing this taught me an important lesson. It doesn't matter what the world thinks of you. It doesn't matter what the world talks about you. It doesn't matter how much the world criticizes you or praises you. It's up to you that you need a respect from, because you are the only one who knows how you lived. You are the only one who knows that you worked hard or you did not. I had to study it all alone. I had to evaluate and motivate myself. I had to find ways by myself to return to the level of fluency that I once had in the United States. Sometimes I talked to wall to train myself. I had to be critical of myself because I didn't have a teacher, because there were no teachers training people who've studied abroad like myself. Most importantly, I had doubts inside me saying, "You're not even in the United States. How can you get back up from the rock bottom again?" But I didn't need anyone's validation. All I needed was myself. I wanted to do it and enjoy doing this. That's all I needed. Once again, I'm not calling myself a truly great person. I think I'm very far from being one. But just somehow, I had this moment. That curious 20-year-old student asked me this question. She actually later wowed. And I told her that you're only 21 or 20. It's not late for you. Don't give up. Study hard. I have all these lessons to teach. Your English can be really good. So if you are at the lowest point of your life, just remember, let us remember that now you have been given a chance to become a truly great person.